What is regeneration? Regeneration is the ability of organism to renew the whole or parts of it on occurrence of any disturbance causing deterioration. Let us see regeneration in Hydra. The cnidarian shows great capability of regeneration. If Hydra is cut into 3 pieces, each piece can be developed into a new organism. Apart from Hydra, which organisms show regeneration? When coming to protozoans, amoeba can get its lost cytoplasm as well as cell organelles, and Euglena can get back its flagella, while Paramecium in same way its cilia. Sponges regeneration starts from wound healing to complete regeneration. Cnidarians are the organisms with greater regeneration capacity. Hydra, sea anemones, and jellyfish can regenerate the whole body, as regeneration is considered to be an asexual mode of reproduction in them. Even some species of jellyfish are known as immortal because of their remarkable capacity of regeneration. Platyhelminths. They stood beside cnidarians on showing remarkable regeneration capacity. Planaria can get its whole body, while tapeworm can regenerate its lost segments. When coming to annelids, earthworms can get its lost segments, while centipedes can get back their legs. Arthropods, crustaceans like crayfish, can get back its tail and claws by following molting. Spiders and insects can regenerate their legs. In echinoderms, starfish can regenerate its arms, while sea cucumber can get back its respiratory tree. From protozoans to echinoderms, regeneration capacity decreases gradually. In case of vertebrates, from fish to mammals, the capacity to regain lost organs get diminished and disappeared. Mammals, they have no regeneration capacity. Is regeneration totally an asexual mode of reproduction? Only in cases of lower organisms like protozoans, sponges and cnidarians, where less variability of tissues and presence of abundant number of stem cells, those induce cell differentiation and proliferation, regeneration can suppose to renew the whole organism. In higher animals, regeneration is limited to renew the organs. That means regeneration is repair in function. Regeneration capacity of plant and algal cells to reproduce whole organism is called totipotency. Plant cells are highly regenerative. Meet Mr. Axolotl, a species of salamander. If it lost its limbs in an accident, it can grow new limbs within 6 to 9 weeks. Regeneration in axolotl is widely studied to understand induced regeneration capacity in humans. Imagine what if we humans possess regeneration like axolotl?